For this parallel park maneuver, I'm going to demonstrate how to back up without using the other side of the road, not crossing the yellow line. This is also the same way you would back up if you were in a narrow road or a similar situation where you have very little room to maneuver the truck. We are going to take advantage of all the room that we have in front of us. But make sure that the driver behind you knows what you are doing, because it will look like you have just passed a space and then stopping. If someone is behind you, maybe stop next to the space, put your turn signal on, indicating what you are doing. Then set up to back. You may even want to get out of the truck and tell the driver behind you what your intention is going to be. Maybe you can even ask him to spot you if needed. When you have very little room to maneuver, you will not be able to turn the steering wheel a lot. The further away you are from the space, the less jackknifing you will need to do to guide the trailer into the space. Here I am trying to keep a slight angle while backing up. I am unable to do any hard steering, so I have to do smaller steering movements for a longer distance. Once I have my left side of the trailer pointing towards the right corner of the truck I am backing up to, I try to maintain a straight back till the front of my trailer passes the back of the other trailer, or I feel like it is time to jackknife my trailer into the spot. You have two options here: to do a straight back for longer, then turn hard to the right and then back to the left again, which will do a lot more maneuvering in the shortest distance, or do a slightly lesser jackknife for a much longer distance. Here I am taking advantage of the height of the curb with regards to the height of my DOT bumper. The bumper is closer to the curb than my trailer tires are when my trailer is not running parallel to the curb, and will come back out during the maneuver. And all we need to do now is center ourselves in the space.